Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can buy crypto on MEXC with a card. So if you want to buy crypto instantly on MEXC using a debit card, let me explain how. So what you will have to do is click this buy crypto option, and what you will have to do is click quick buy and sell. So just wait for it to load. And once you're here, you will just have to select the cryptocurrency that you would want to buy. So yeah, and then after that, you will just have to enter your card details, billing information, and verify your identity if required. And after all that, you will just have to click buy and confirm your purchase, and crypto will appear in your Maxi wallet almost instantly. And yeah, that's basically just how you do it. And I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.